Hello. Here's how to make custom UI sound effects for menu selection buttons. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up Ableton Live. Then you're going to want to make sure you are in the arrangement view. Then you're going to double click on the first MIDI track and you're going to drag a VST synthesizer into the bottom section. Now you're going to select a selection of the first MIDI track, right-click that selection and select Insert MIDI Clip, or you can hit Shift-Command-M. Now you're going to draw a couple of MIDI notes by double-clicking in the piano roll. Upward scales or downward scales usually lead to a good-sounding menu button. Now, you right-click the MIDI track name and select Freeze Track. You're going to right-click the same track and select Flatten. Now, double-click the audio clip and click the small divided by 2 button many times. Now you're going to freeze and flatten the track again and hit the same divided by 2 button a bunch of times again. Now you're going to freeze and flatten the track one last time. And now you can drag the audio clip onto your desktop. You now have a wave file that is a menu selector button sound.